Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is June 1st, 2019. Your source of news before any trade decision. Going to go ahead and give you all an update on Cardano. As you all can tell here that we were expecting this cryptocurrency to continue to move to the upside, and when I move it to a daily time frame, you'll see exactly when the market in Cardano was able to break well above our profit area. So this was a very profitable trade. Would have been a 7.18% profit to the upside. So it's very good to see the market hit our objective. Now, you're not going to get this simplistic way of looking at price charts anywhere else. You have to come to our website, HueFinancial.com, become a site member, pick one of our packages so you'll be able to see what we are seeing without causing you any confusion. So since this simulated trade came out as a profitable one, we were going to go ahead and get rid of this one and give you all the update of what we're getting on the price move in Cardano. As you all can tell, what occurred on the 30th of May has been one of indication of weakness. Now, since then, the market recovered somewhat, but that 10-cent price, and even right here on our resistance line at 9.5 cents, that is the true area of resistance in the market in Cardano. And another minor resistance area, I'm going to draw it in real quick and get rid of it, is right here. So we have about 3 resistance areas in the market in Cardano. Right here at this 9-cent price, 9.5 cents, and then 10 cents are the 3 resistance areas in this coin. You also will notice that this was the first time Cardano tried to break above 9.5 cents. This was the second time that Cardano tried to break above 9.5 cents. This is the third time that Cardano tried to break above 9.5 cents. Now, one of the things I want to pinpoint and show you is that the market, the first time that it came and tried to break 9.5 cents, it did take a major movement to the downside, right? And then the second time, we didn't move that low, right? On the next movement to the downside. Here we are at the third time. The market is not really moving that low. So we're still upholding overall the strength in Cardano. Okay, you guys can remember, we cannot break this ascending line to the upside in the market in Cardano to inflect and show us that the market is still eager for higher prices. Daily time frame is still upholding to that fact. Just keep your eyes open on those 3 resistance areas that I talked about previously. Take a look right here on the 3-hour time frame in Cardano. The market is still finding 9 cents as a resistance point. This weakness that came in was maintained quite well by the market participants. It did not induce another massive movement to the downside, which is all positive to see Cardano continue to show us higher prices. So, based off of the market in Cardano not making a dramatic movement to the downside just yet, and it holding this major ascension line, this coin is still anticipated to continue to move to the upside. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and move this to a daily time frame and input a simulated buy position in the market in Cardano from right there where we're trading right now. Now, obviously, with any trade, you got to simulate or anticipate the market moving to the downside. This is where we'll have to let this particular trade go if we see the market in Cardano break below this 8.5 cent price in around that particular area. Okay. I wouldn't be necessarily worried if the market was even to come down to 8 cents, but that would definitely change the overall momentum of Cardano moving higher. Okay, so right now, this is what we're going to anticipate the market in Cardano to do. We are seeing some weakness come in on the daily time frame, but when I moved over to the 3-hour chart, we're still getting some indications of strength. So resistance is coming in at 9 cents. So if we were to bring that down a little bit further, let's try to zoom out and see how much that would be. 2 3/4% profit in the market for Cardano to come back up there to trade. Okay, right now we are going to continue to hold the market in Cardano around that 9.5 cent price for resistance. Let's see what's going on with on the 4-hour. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it down a little bit lower. So that'd be about a 4.5% profit to the upside in the market in Cardano. What I'm going to do, I don't like that. I'm going to move it up a little bit higher, maybe around 7% movement. Now that's going to be a long-term look in Cardano, but overall this coin is not really giving us a lot of weakness. So that's why we're still anticipating it to continue to move to the upside, okay? Now granted, I did tell you that the market can still come around 8 cents to hold support. That would just alleviate us from really seeing it move to the upside in the near term, but rather it will trade within a consolidational range, and then the resumption to higher prices will continue at a later time. We're not seeing that just yet, but it's something that you want to keep on the radar, okay? So this is our analysis for Cardano. We are looking forward to move to the upside from where we are right now. Again, we are going to need to see an increase, an immense amount of volume to allow Cardano break 9.5 cents, this 10-cent price. Okay, so until we see that volume come in, I really am not anticipating it to really trade up there to that area. This is our analysis. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion. Check us out at our website, HueFinancial.com. Relatively easy to anticipate what the market's going to do. You're not going to get that anywhere else. So follow us at our website, HueFinancial.com. Talk to y'all later. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability.